Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites, Btools active and your mesh files ready such as FBX or OBJ. First, import the mesh and inspect scale and orientation. This prevents surprises later. Once imported, set the origin and pivot to match intended attachment points and choose collision presets, static versus dynamic, because physics reactions depend on that. Make sure textures are linked and UVs intact. Otherwise, materials will misalign when you use Btools to position and weld the mesh. Now you place and refine. Use Btools move, rotate, and scale while locking axes for precision. This gives cleaner assemblies. Align meshes to surface normals or snap to vertices. These methods reduce gaps. When editing, check vertex order and normals to avoid shading errors. Combine parts with weld or merge tools. Keep materials separated by slots if you plan to paint later. Once done, recalc normals and freeze transforms so subsequent edits won't shift the whole assembly unexpectedly. Finish by testing in the live scene. Verify collisions, visibility, and LOD transitions, and monitor performance metrics. Bake transforms and apply any final optimizations. Reduce mesh count or decimate high poly areas if you exceed 50,000 triangles to keep frame rate stable. Once finalized, export a merged asset or save grouped prefab. If something goes wrong, try recentering the pivot and recalculating normals first. This fixes most slicing and hole artifacts, and makes sure Btools snaps and welds behave predictably.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.